Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Zilch BNPL Review My Usage Experience. Zilch BNPL Review My Usage Experience offers buy now, pay later BNPL services. It's aimed at consumers who want to spread the cost of purchases over several interest-free installments. Key features seem to include online payment integration with various retailers and a user-friendly interface for managing payments. Their website provides details on supported retailers and payment plans. Zilch positions itself as a convenient and transparent BNPL option. They emphasize no hidden fees and straightforward payment schedules. They appear to compete with other BNPL services by focusing on ease of use and a simple application process. Availability is generally broad, as they partner with many online retailers, but checking individual retailer compatibility is advisable before making a purchase. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Zilch. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process took only a few minutes, and verifying my identity was straightforward. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I quickly understood how to link my payment methods and select the preferred payment schedule. I used Zilch for a recent purchase of some new headphones from an online electronics store. The whole process, from selecting the BNPL option at checkout to completing the payments, was seamless. The payment reminders were helpful, and I never missed a payment. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. Tracking my payments and upcoming due dates was simple. The standout feature for me was definitely the ease of managing multiple payments from different purchases all in one place. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app. Managing everything through the website was fine, but a mobile app would enhance the user experience. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Zilch. It's a reliable and user-friendly BNPL service that has simplified my online shopping experience. That's my overview of Zilch BNPL Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.